Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling NFC in settings so the phone can detect tags. This is the foundation. Once done, make sure battery saver is off and the screen stays unlocked during interactions, because power limits and lock screens block detection. Next, position your tag or reader near the phone's middle back area. You want reliable contact. Make sure you remove heavy cases or metal mounts for an unobstructed signal, and open the app you'll use for reading or writing before continuing. Now you read or write tags with an NFC app so the phone stores the action you need. First, open NFC Tools and choose Read to confirm the tag's presence, then switch to Write to add a payload like a URL or app launch. Position the tag at the phone's NFC spot and hold steady until you feel a vibrate or see success. Make sure the payload fits the tag capacity. If not, reduce data or use a larger tag so writes complete reliably. Finish by testing your setup from a few angles to confirm consistent detection, because antenna orientation matters. Once confirmed, secure the tag if your app permits, or at least record the payload settings so you can restore them later. If things go wrong, don't panic. Make sure NFC is still on, remove any case, restart the phone, and try a different tag. These steps address the most common issues: interference, locked screens, or low tag capacity, so you can get reliable taps every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.